Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm so excited to share with you the unboxing of my Dooney Bourke 25th anniversary for DVC Shopper 2. I think that's what it's called. It's a lot of words there. It's the Dooney Bourke Disney Vacation Club 25th Anniversary Shopper 2, and I just looked it up on the Disney Parks app, and I didn't see that it's available any longer. I did find it on eBay, and they're selling it for about $320. And I know my husband did not spend that much on it. This was actually a birthday gift, and I told him about it months ago. I was like, for Mother's Day or for my birthday, if you're looking for something, I really want the Disney Vacation Club Dooney Bourke bag. It's the 25th anniversary. It's also the year that we signed up with DVC, so I just really thought it would be a great thing to have this beautiful shopper too. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is how big the box is for this purse. This box is so huge, which means the purse is so huge. And I have to say, this is not like really an official unboxing because again, it was a birthday gift and my husband did already give it to me. And of course I looked at it, but I have not explored the bag yet. I haven't taken out the stuffing or looked inside. So here is the beautiful tissue paper that the bag comes with. And let me take out the bag. So here it is. It is absolutely beautiful. I love the blue color. Blue is my favorite color, and I just love the different shades of blue and aqua on here. The detail on this bag is amazing. I love how it has all of the different symbolic pictures of all the vacation club resorts. It has like the little tiki gods, and it has the turtle, seashells. There's just all kinds of stuff going on here. We have Mickey over here looking through some binoculars. So it's really cute. And then let me just show it to you closer so you can see all of the detail on this bag. And then over here it just says Disney Vacation Club. It's really such a beautiful bag. Show you the front. We have the little gold emblem here that just says Dooney Bourke, and then the little tag that just says celebrating 25 years and beyond Disney Vacation Club. Really beautiful, and you can see this beautiful blue trim here on the strap itself, and the top zippers, which is really great. So let's go ahead and explore inside the bag. Now, if you guys watched some of my older videos, you know I have a whole video on downsizing your handbag and, you know, not carrying around a humongous purse because it really can hurt your back and it's uncomfortable and it's just too much to carry around. Well, a lifestyle change has brought me to purchasing this big weekender bag, because now that I am working and I'm planning Disney World vacations for people, and I'm sometimes meeting with people, and I need my laptop and I need, you know, my notebooks and my binder and all that stuff, I need something large that I can carry everything in. So this is kind of going to be a work bag now, as well as a travel bag, because we are traveling a lot this whole summer, and when we are on airplanes or long car rides or whatever it is that we're doing this summer, I just like to have a big bag with me where I can carry books and snacks and things to do. Okay, so let's go ahead and take out all the stuffing so I can finally see what the inside of this bag looks like. Okay, so this bag is really deep. There is so much space in here, and it has the little key fob. And on this side, I love how there's so much storage space. So you have a big zippered back here, and of course it has the little warranty card, so I can register this bag, and then it has a little slip pocket there. And on the other side, there are a couple more slip pockets. There's a larger one, probably for your cell phone, and a smaller one where you can fit pens and things and notebooks. So you can really fit a lot in this bag. It's really, really very beautiful. I love the smell of a new bag. It just smells so good. So for Christmas, I received the 45th anniversary of the Magic Kingdom Dooney Bourke little wristlet wallet, and I was hoping to pair it with this beautiful DVC 25th anniversary Dooney Bourke bag, and I definitely would like to use the both of them on our upcoming Walt Disney World trip. This one will be really great for the plane, or the long car ride. I'm not sure which we're doing yet because airfare is really expensive, and I wanted to just see how the two look together. So I have my other Dooney Bourke bag right here, and this is the 45th anniversary of the Magic Kingdom, and I will leave a link to a better description of this above if you want to watch that video. I show this a little bit more in detail. So, and then I have this bag, and obviously it's not a perfect match, but at least they're both shades of blue, and I think it will work well enough. I really love having the two different styles anyway, so you know, I can kind of change up the look a little bit, and I'm so excited. So I think they look kind of cute together. Not that they necessarily need to match anyway, because like, who cares, right? But yeah, I really, really love the two of these together, and I love that this is like an anniversary little wristlet for the 45th anniversary of the Magic Kingdom, and then here we have the 25th anniversary of Disney Vacation Club. And again, this is the year that we bought into the beach club, so I'm super excited to have these anniversary types of items. I picked up the 25th anniversary Alex and Ani bracelet, and it was like super cheap, like 10 bucks or something on the Disney Park site as well. And now I have this beautiful new Dooney Bourke to add to my collection that I just started getting into Dooney Bourke's this past year when we went to Disney in November of 2017. I purchased the Haunted Mansion purse, and I have fallen in love with Dooney Bourke ever since then, and the patterns and all of the Disney themed handbags. They're so well made. I have used high-end purses before in my life. I have used designer purses, and these are like indestructible. I just love the material that they're made out of. They're so durable. They're so beautiful. I really love this light color leather here. And then on the bottom you have these little gold like knobs, so that when you sit it down you don't really mess it up. It doesn't really totally touch the ground, which I really like that. And the pattern on this is really beautiful. It's kind of hard when you order online because you're not sure exactly what the layout of the pattern is going to be. When you actually go to a store, you can kind of pick and choose, you know, your favorite pattern. You want it to be in exactly the right spot, and sometimes certain patterns are cut off completely. But because this bag is so large, I don't think we're gonna lose any of the pattern at all. I'm sure everything is included on here. And I just feel like it tells a story. Like, if you really take the time to look at all of the little details and little teacups and paw prints, and then there's a little dog, and the little boats and the fireworks, and oh, there's just so much. There's so much going on in this handbag, and it's so beautiful. I'm really excited to start using it. It's really, really a great and special and generous gift. I was so excited when I received this on my birthday. Guys, I cannot even tell you, I was almost brought to tears. Like, this is not a typical birthday gift for me, but yeah, I was really, really happy to receive it. And I am sure between all of the work that I've been doing with the travel agency and all of the travel that I have coming up, I know that I am going to use the heck out of this bag. The expense of this bag is not going to be put to waste at all. Okay, so of course everyone in the neighborhood is mowing and weed whacking, and I don't know if you can hear all of that in the background, so I'm gonna wrap it up. I think they wait. They can like see my ring light in the window, and they wait until I set everything up and I sit down, and they all just go out at it. It's like every time. I don't know, it's just my luck. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoy taking a look at my new Dooney Bourke Disney Vacation Club 25th anniversary shopper tote. Is that what it's called? It's just too many words for me. I hope you liked seeing my Dooney Bourke handbag. Isn't it super cute? Okay, have a great week, guys. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram. I hope you all have a great week. Take care. Bye.